and welcome back. Today's video will be a new PR unboxing. I do these videos every single Friday here on my channel where I save all of my packages and then we open them together. We do swatches and we see what's new in makeup. So if that sounds good, why don't we go ahead and get started. Box this week came over from the Balm. Look at this. I got a handy little box opener this time. So we're gonna open this box up and see. It's a smaller one, so we will see what is inside. Wow, this is a lot easier than the normal little knife that I use. All right, so it says, hey Molly, got a fun trip coming up. Be sure to stow away these adorable travel size bestsellers. You couldn't ask for a better travel companion. How cute. Actually, as you guys are seeing this video, I'm actually in Florida. So this couldn't have came at a perfect time because I'm literally going like in 2 days. So I will actually definitely have to take some of these little mini travels. They sent over 2 different ones here. So it looks like they're the same. They always send over doubles, which I think is so sweet. So inside of here we have a Hot Mama, which is a blush. We have the Bahama Mama bronzer. We also have a Little Mini Mary luminizer, a Mad Lash mascara, and then this one, what is this? It's the Time Balm face primer. I actually don't think I've ever tried that, but this is just like a cute little travel size bag, and then it has here on the back like all of the different items that are in there and how they're used. I think this is super cute. What a fun little thing. I think these are available for sale, I'm guessing, just how it like is packaged like this. So I will have the Balm's website linked down below for you guys. What a fun little goodie. So next up we have something from Hum Nutrition. It says Hum Girl vs. Zit Monster. This is cute, like a little comic book. I never got into comic books, you guys. When I was younger, I just like I never got the hype in them. I never really understood. But this is cute how they did like the whole little comic book thing. I'll have to read that. So inside we have a new supplement from them. So this is the Battle Your Skin Villains Skin Heroes Probiotic. There we go. And it says it nurtures the gut and the skin. So here is what this one looks like. So it says that this is supposed to help improve hydration and support a clear, smooth, and even tone skin tone, activate your powder, and banish breakouts from the inside out. So obviously consult with your doctor before you start taking any type of supplements, but I have tried quite a few from them and I do really like them, so I will have to give this one a try, a zit zapper. All right, so this next box says Higher Education Skincare, and I do not know whose logo that is or who this is from, so we'll go ahead and open this one up. So this is from HE Skincare. I've never tried this brand before, and it says this is our Higher Education Spring Break Oil-Free Broad Spectrum Sunscreen. It says for all skin types. So we have that in here. We also have, what is this? Higher Education Creme Session, Vitamin Infused Hydrating Lotion, all skin types as well. And then there is one last thing in here, and this one is the Higher Education Double Major. So this is a Moisture Gel Relief. And again, it says all skin tones. Interesting. I'm curious to try out this brand. I don't think I've ever even seen anything on this. So I'll be curious to see what these products are like. The packaging is super cute. I love how like simple. It has kind of almost like a book on the side there. Okay, up next we have something from Doll 10, and it says Open Me Before 423. So it says Doll Essentials, the perfect collection for proven beauty solutions to get you dolled up in 10 minutes or less. Available April 24th on HSN. So it says the retail value of this set is $173. It's going to be selling for $54.95. And here's like the little card, and then I'm assuming, yes, so we have the entire set in here. I love their little packaging they do when they have like the little girl in the mirror. I think it's so cute. So this one is the box right here, which I'm assuming is what it's going to come in. So it looks like inside of here you do get a double-ended brush. You're going to get their Hydro Luxe Smoothing Foundation. Also, this one here I think is one of their cheeks. I can't really tell. This one is one of their H2 Glow highlighters, so like their liquid, or not their liquid, it's like a pressed highlighter. And then it also has inside of here the Hydro Luxe Concealer, which is one of my favorites. And then you also get the Arch Master. This is a brow pencil. It has like a brow spoolie on one side with a little bit of like a fiber brow gel. And then you also have on the other side just like a regular brow pencil. And then this last thing here, I think, is one of their lip products. Let me pull this one out. Yes, so this one here is going to be one of their lipsticks in Knockouts. And here's what that one looks like. Awesome. So this is a cool little bundle set from Doll 10. I think by the time you guys are seeing this, it's probably already going to be over with, but I think that this is a cool little bundle from Doll 10, and maybe if they sell it or something, and again, you guys can check it out. I think that that is a fun deal there. Obviously, you're getting a good value. Again, it's $54.95 for all of those items, which is great. Okay, next up we have something from Benefit. So this is going to be our Club Pink for the month of April. All right, so it says meet your perfect brow match. Ooh, we got new shades, it looks like, in the Precisely My Brow and also the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. So inside of here, ooh, we got a lot of different brow pencils. Love this. So Goof Proof, so it looks like they came out with some new shades. New in-between shades. So we have a 2, so they sent over 2, which is like my normal shade, and then we have a 3.75, which is a warm medium brown. We have a 2.75, which is a warm auburn, a cool gray, and then also a 2.5, which is a neutral blonde. So we got new shades in the Goof Proof, and then also I'm guessing we have the same shades. Yes, we have the very same shades in the Precisely, which is my favorite from them. I like the fact that they keep like broadening their shade range when it comes to their pencils, because I feel like that's really important to have just like a broad range, and I love the fact that they just have so many colors now. So here's like a little thing of the colors right there, so you guys can kind of see what they are working with. I love this, super cool from Benefit. All right, moving right along, we got the next box here from Ofra. So it says Ofra Verified. So it looks like they have a brand new liquid eyeliner that is going to be releasing. I am an affiliate with Ofra, so if you ever want to buy anything off their website, you can use my coupon code Makeupmolly and it will get you 20% off. So we have the Verified Drama Proof Liquid Eyeliner. I'll go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. So here is the packaging. It has just like a slate gray packaging. I'll go ahead and show you guys a couple of strokes from this one. It looks like it is going to be pretty pigmented and kind of easy to work with. It's just going to be like a felt, tip pen. It looks pretty black, so that's always good. I love these kind of liquid liners. I just think they make it so easy to just get the perfect wing with these. Okay, we have 2 more things in here. So we also have this right here, which is going to be the eye gel primer. So we have like an eye primer from them. And then the last thing in here is a signature palette. This one is the Radiance Eyes palette. Here is the colors for that palette. It's kind of like a more neutral palette. It has like a pink, we have the orange, brown, really pretty. I like these smaller palettes. Those are my favorite just for like travel and for just smaller palettes in general. I feel like they're really easy. You have the mirror on that one as well. So a big thank you to Ofra for sending over these products, and be sure to check out that new liner pencil for sure. I'll have to use that in like a trying new makeup video. Okay, so this next one here says it's from Palladio. Palladio. I never know how to say that. I think I'm saying it right, but I'm really not sure. So it looks like they included a palette here. So this is the Sun-Kissed Marriage Eyeshadow and Highlighting Palette. So here is the inside of that one. Again, it's going to be like a neutral tones palette. I don't know if I've ever tried like an eyeshadow palette from them. I know I've tried like some of their face products and such. So I'm going to swatch some of the highlighters out of this one. And ooh, those look nice. Look how pigmented that is. Super nice. And then I'll swatch a few of the shadows as well. This is just going to be like a neutral toned palette. It actually looks like it's going to be really nice. The matte looks really pigmented. Like I said, I don't think I've tried any of their eyeshadows, so I'll definitely be curious to try this. They are an affordable brand. I know I see them a lot at Sally Beauty. There are a couple swatches. I'm pretty impressed with the pigmentation on this palette, so I'll have to test it out and see what I think of it. Let me know if you guys want to see like a testing new drugstore makeup video. I think that would be fun to do that with this. So this next one says my gloss is poppin'. I'm not sure who this one is from. So this is from Nugg, and this is their Cute But Serious Happy Lips Cocoa Shine Lip Balm. That sounds amazing. This package is really cute. It has like the different lips on it. I like a lot of their lip products. They have their lip like exfoliators that I really do love, and they just come in like this little egg thing right here, and you can just pop them open, use your finger, or you can put it like directly on your lips as well. And then inside of here, this is too cute. They have these little lip sunnies. How do we look? Oh my gosh, they kind of go with the vibes of today's outfit though. These are cute. This is hilarious. Perfect for Coachella, I mean, if I was going. And then they also have in here, I think this is a mirror. Let me open this up here. It has like a little, yeah, like a little lip here. Just like a little compact mirror. Super cute from Nugg. Big thank you to them. I can't wait to test this one out. All right, so we just got a couple of these boxes left. This next one, I'm not sure who this one is from. Box inside of a box, and we got something from Sally Hansen. I'm getting used to these orange boxes. I've been loving seeing all these nail polish products and like testing them out. So go ahead and open this box. So it says introducing new innovations from Sally Hansen to strengthen, prime, and polish. So the Sally Hansen Hard Nails Vitamin C Strength Serum, along with the Sally Hansen No More Stains Spray. Ooh, a base coat, spray base coat. And then also an Instant Dry Metallic, and it says that these are going to be available at Ulta Beauty. So I will show you guys the little box right here. So here's what the box looks like. I'm really curious about that spray. The packaging on this one looks cool. So this is the Vitamin Strength Serum, but it actually has a pump on it. So you would just kind of pump this out, I believe, like put it around your nails. I like that idea better than like brushing it on. I don't know why, it just seems like it would be easier. And it looks kind of cool with like the little things floating in there. So this is the one I'm really curious about. So it says No More Stains Spray On Base Coat. So you would put this one on like before you apply your nail polish. That's really cool. It's just like an actual like spray bottle. This blue one actually looks really fun. So this one is the Insta Dry Matte Nail Polish. I think that that one would be really nice. Also, we have like a silver one. There's a gold one in here as well. This is exciting. I'll have to test these ones out on my nails. Right now, I'm getting the gel nails. I wish I didn't do that. I liked getting the just like the acrylic ones better because I could pick my own polishes instead of having like the nail place do it. So I might have to switch it up and go back to just a regular acrylic so that I can have them like put my different polishes on there because I miss being able to pick my own polishes and like bring them in, you know? Okay, we made it to our last box, and this one says it is from PATCHOLOGY. All right, so I think that this is their brand new eye gels. So go ahead and open this. Yes, it is going to be. So I'll show you guys the inside right here. So here's what it looks like. So these are their brand new eye patches. They have the Mood Patch Perk Up. So these ones are an energizing tea-infused aromatherapy eye gels. So these ones have like green tea in them. And then we also have the Happy Place ones. These ones have rose, hibiscus, and lotus flower in them. So these are going to be like mood changing, which I think is so fun. And then we also have the last one here, which is the calming one, or the downtime one. This one has calendula, lavender, and evening primrose. So those are the ones in this one here. So 3 different sets of them like that each like are going to target a specific thing. And then also in here, what do we have? Ooh, a bath bomb that says chill pill. This one's really cute. It's like a giant pill. It smells pretty good. I can smell it like through the box here. And then I also have these. What is this? Matcha green tea caramels. You guys, I tried matcha for the first time the other day, and I didn't get it like from somewhere. I tried it. I got a brand, I think it was Winky Luck, sent me that little thing that had like the matcha, and I tried to make it like what it said, and you guys, I couldn't even drink it. I was like, this is disgusting. So maybe I'll like these. I'll have to try them. I'm not sure if I just don't like matcha or I just didn't get a good one, but I'll have to try it. And then we also have in here some tea. So this is a Rose Earl Grey, like a little thing of tea. My mom always drinks Earl Grey. And I think that is everything inside of this box. Super fun from PATCHOLOGY. After that, that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of these new makeup launches. Please drop down in the comment section what you're most excited to see me use, what products you want to see in a first impressions, reviews, anything like that. Give this one a thumbs up if you do love my hauls. Also, do not forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in Monday's video. Bye, friends.